Hi, I'm Dr. Meenakshi and I'm working at D-Care in Chanakyapuri, and I would like to draw your attention to a women's health program which is an exclusive follow-up based program which we are launching and is a strategy to reduce the cardiovascular risk mortality in this perimenopausal and menopausal age group women. There is strong scientific evidence that cardiovascular risk in this age group is high and there is a lot of mortality. So, we would like to address it in the correct manner. Risk factors such as anemia, high blood pressure, diabetes, smoking, drinking will be assessed over here and by the educators and also by the physicians, and we will enlighten you about many more such. There is an ASCVD risk calculator which is being used worldwide and which we will be incorporating over here in this program to actually identify the 10-year risk for cardiovascular diseases in this 40 to 50 year age group. Therefore, we would like you to come and join this program and identify with it and engage with it and help us empower you with this risk reduction tool. The optimal risk reduction is also assessed through this ASCVD risk calculator, and we can also tell you what are the tools which you can use to modify the risk in this age group and also the cardiovascular mortality, thus decreasing the risk and helping you enjoy a healthy life. This team of doctors, physicians, dietitians, and health educators are here to engage and empower you with tools such as diet, exercise, and medication, and on a regular follow-up basis, which is very important. Timely assessment and management with imperative investigations and treatment is the way forward for a healthy lifestyle. And of course, cardiovascular risk reduction. Women manage chores at home and at work now and often neglect their health, and therefore we would like you to focus on this particular risk reduction strategy. We would like to strengthen this backbone of the family and share our knowledge and experience with you in this and reduce and help you have a healthy lifestyle. Thank you.